So get this, we're looking at Litecoin right now. The price currently is in free fall. Why? Because those buyers in the market in Litecoin, they could not break that market above $68. That is where the free fall began, and price currently is still going down. So much so that the market has broken our ascending line on the charts. Another key reason as to why you should not be bullish in Litecoin. If anything, this particular cryptocurrency is going to continue to trade within a trading channel. That's the best outlook that we can currently see today. If that doesn't happen, then like we have already seen Litecoin's price go down, that will continue. So now, I think you guys can tell from our last video in Litecoin, right there on September the 29th was the last video. We were anticipating the price in Litecoin to go up, and not soon after, the market in Litecoin did go higher, but then it got stuck right here at the high of $68.85. That was the high ever since today. The market has not been higher since that day, 9 days ago. And seeing where price currently is in relation to these two lines off the chart, it doesn't look like the market looks pretty good for it to go up right now. These lines represented what we needed to see the buyers do. Once the market price in Litecoin broke above $68 or $67.50, they needed to hold that line for support, meaning that they were there still buying. But immediately the next day, the market in Litecoin came right back down below $67.50. So those buyers didn't buy. Next, they were supposed to come and buy off this trend line, which we can see there was a couple of days from the 4th of October all the way until the 7th that they tried, but there just wasn't enough demand to keep the price from not going lower. And here it is today. We have broken that trend line to the downside. Again, not a good sign for the buyers. Now, check this out though. Even though we recognize that price currently is breaking trend in Litecoin, breaking this ascending line, we now know that it's no longer applicable. So the market, if anything, in Litecoin should continue to trade within a trading channel, or we're going to continue to see price go down to the low from September the 11th. Now, we may not see the market go that low in Litecoin, and this is the reason why I say that is because here, there's been a couple of trading days to where the market in Litecoin held support. Okay, so let me zoom in and show you what I'm talking about. These have been buyers here on these trading days. All of these price bars to where the market comes and touch that line, that tells you that those buyers approached the market and supported Litecoin. Let's look at this on a 2-day chart to see if they will hold that area. Let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. Congratulations to those who's able to get, let me see. .79% or so. 4.66%. Congratulations to those who's able to grab that quickly, because now the market is definitely below that area. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Does this look bullish to you or bearish? Well, currently it's a little bit bearish. Why? Because price is trending down. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Bullish or bearish? It looks a little bit bearish. Here it is on the 5. Bullish or bearish? What about the weekly time frame? 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3 and the 5. Okay, here it is on the 7-hour chart. You guys can see what happened on yesterday's trading action. Definitely got some increased volatility. Individuals trying to come through and sell. Buyers right here on the 7-hour price bar is supporting price right now. Now the crazy part is that it doesn't look like those buyers are still here. There's still some sellers in the market in Litecoin currently. Here's on the 5. Take a look at Litecoin on the 3. This is where we're supposed to have seen the market continue to go up. And as you can see, following, the market is still going down. Okay. Take a look at this on the 1-hour chart. You guys can definitely see the weakness. Those sellers currently reside here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to anticipate price in Litecoin continue to go down, but I've already told you that the market may not go lower than where we already seen yesterday, right here. Okay, so this price prediction is not going to be drastic. I'm not going to look like for a 25% drop in Litecoin's price, not yet. What I'm really seeing on the chart is that the market's going to continue to trade within this trading channel. So at least it's probable that we can see the market in Litecoin come all the way down to here, although I must tell you, I don't see that really occurring either. But in the cryptocurrency space, anything is possible. Okay. So now my first target is going to be where the low in the market in Litecoin came in yesterday. So that's 2.44%, 61.50. My second target is going to be all the way down here at 60, which is 4.74. And then my third target is going to be at the very bottom of the low on September the 11th, which is 8% move down. Okay. And we got resistance around 67.41. That takes us within this trading channel. Right? Let me extend this downtrend as a reference point as to what we suspect price currently is trending on. And we'll see if the market in Litecoin ever breaks that. That's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.